Hey folks, Stacy here from Homestead on the Hill. And today what I'm going to do is I'm going to put together a log hauler. It's a little log mover. And I'll tell you the story in a minute. So let's get started. Because I work pretty slowly, we're going to make a time lapse out of this. So we won't capture every blundering mistake I make. Woo! Really nice. One wheel. Two wheels. Empty box. There's a winch. Oh, a bag of nuts. Okay, so my intuition, instructions, I say to put the wheels on first. So, pull that off, pull that off. I'm guessing that goes on that way. Like that. Washer goes on. So I'm not going to tighten that up just yet. Get that out of the way, get my letter opener out of the way. That goes there. There's the arch. Okay, that's step one. Cut. Okay, in all honesty, these instructions are brutal. They are not much help. So what I'm doing is I'm just going by this thing here and trying to figure out what it should look like. One of the things I like to do is sort the hardware into the different pieces. So I got two long ones here. These are 2, 4, 6, 8 of those. 4 of these and one little one. And then I get my wrenches. I get the wrenches that I'm going to need. I get them out. And then it works better. You just have an idea of what you're working with. So let's see if these things actually work. There, and then this one here, and we need a third hand and a monkey tail. That comes together like that. This will go up there, so let's get that in place. That goes there, and then put that on there, washer on there, put my nut back on her, there we go, and washer on here. You're gonna come around and have a look at that. Put that on there. Woo-wee! Couple little ones through there. Let's see how that works. Boy, they really want this. I guess if you're pulling 1,000 pounds of log, you don't want the tongue busting off. So I'll just reach underneath there, put the washer on top, and on this one here, put the washer underneath. Before I tighten them all up, I'm gonna go over and ask neighbor Ed. There's that, there's that, there's that. And so yeah, so what I'll do is before I tighten these up, one of them's wrong. See, the washers are all on one side. And so what I'll do is I'll go over and ask neighbor Ed, and I'll say, hey, which way does this go? Is that washer on that side or on that side? Does it go on the bolt head or on the nut head? So we'll find that out afterwards, and we'll tighten them all up, and then we'll tighten them all up. one more piece. Just put myself in the teeth. This thing goes up here, yes. Something like that. So this goes through here, through there, and then that goes on there like that. And then the winch, take this little bolt, the washer underneath, and the nut. And this goes up there like that. It goes on there like that. I'm going to lift up the log. Now I'm going to lower the log down, so I pull that out, and then I can pull that out.
I think you need to tighten it more.
Yeah, I do. I've never seen this before. This thing here, when I unpackaged, let's stop. Let me cut to the chase. Look at here. There's only one of these in the container. This is what I use. I drop it through there to hold that in place. And then I put the other one through there. Only put one of these in the bag. Here's the bag they were in. Nothing in there. Here's the box the bag was in. And a nut and a bolt. So what I'm gonna do, thankfully I wasn't planning on dragging this thing around and hauling logs to, oh my God. Oh my God. Cut that part out. We'll leave that on the editing floor. Okay, so I can't believe that. I was thinking like, extraordinary camera work today. And this flops back up over there. You want to release it, pull the, this is called a dog, pull that back, and then you can go like this, get it out.
Filming.
Okay, so I figured it out. Put this chain underneath there like that, hook it on there, and then I think this is what you do. Hell yeah! Look at that!
Rolling.
So there you have it. I've gone and tightened up all the hardware. Ooh, it's windy again today. Now all I need is a get the Bobcat side-by-side running so I can skid some logs out of the bush to the sawmill. Did I mention? Little spoiler. There'll be a sawmill video coming up shortly. The Bozeman. Compliments of Princess Auto. Okay,